Byrd. And sources tell WRAL the case of the man who has already been charged, Arturo Marine-Sotelo, is going before a grand jury today. Longtime WRAL crime reporter Amanda Lamb, host of What Remains podcast, joins us now to kind of walk us through what is involved in this process. Amanda, what will the grand jury be considering in this case?
You know, Jeff, they look at what anyone looks at when they charge someone. They look at probable cause. So the state's going to be able to bring evidence, they're going to be able to bring witnesses, and the grand jury can even ask for more witnesses if they feel like they need additional information.
So he's already been charged. Why does this case need to go to a grand jury?
That's a great question. So in North Carolina, all felony cases have to go before a grand jury. That's the law. But what's also really important about this process is it's a checks and balance system, basically. We're able to say, yes, this is definitely a case that needs to move forward in the system. So it helps the DA in that case really understand, yes, we have a strong case.
They've already been charged. If there is a trial, is it just like a trial where does it need to be a unanimous decision to go through this?
Another good question. In a regular trial, it has to be a unanimous decision. In a grand jury, no, you have 18 people and only 12 people have to vote for what they call a true bill, which is an indictment.
Is it played out in public? Will we know? Is it a behind closed doors
process?
So
it is private, and the reason it's private is because there is always a chance that someone won't be indicted, and so they want to keep confidentiality so that person doesn't have all of this information being shared publicly if they're not indicted. So we will get to know if there is an indictment. That becomes a public record.
And a lot of times, the grand jury, a lot of times we only see these come up in some of these big cases.
Absolutely.
Like this. There's a lot of eyes on this.
Absolutely, and so we should know something later today.
Okay, very good. Amanda Lamb, thank you so much for the information and breaking it down for us. Michelle?
All right, thanks, Jeff. Starting today, teachers in Chapel Hill, Carrboro City